So we have dead battery in Ford Econoline. It just died. My girlfriend was charging her cell phone for extended period of time and depleted the main car battery. This is what happened. We cannot start the car, so I decided to run a little bit of experiment to see if this will work. We have this jumper cables directly connected to my Renogy Solar charge controller. We have about hour and a half to 2 hours sun left, and we're gonna use this Renogy 400-watt system to charge her depleted battery and see if that will work. Never done it before, but seems logical thing to do, and something to learn. In case of an emergency, we have that option. Okie dokie. The sun went down last night, and we're continuing this morning as of 8 a.m. Definitely seeing progress. Previously the battery diode was in red, now it's in green. That's a good positive info. That means that the battery is receiving charge, which is good. Red color indicated that the battery was completely dead. So when those two green diodes blink simultaneously, that means that the battery is fully charged. Here's our battery. Proof of concept, just testing the solar functionality in emergency situation where you're stranded and have no means to get a jump. Just plug it in directly to the solar controller through the jumper cables. You can help the battery to recover. Yeah, it's learning experience in any kind of emergency situation. You can use your solar system to charge your car battery. Well, nothing extraordinary, just some basic tips, surviving tips.